whenever there's a challenge, a true leader is the one who stands up and confronts that particular conflict in order to provide a solution. In Zimbabwe, we do believe that there's a conflict, politically and economically. And we've been brave enough as this team to stand up and say, let us dialogue on these issues because these issues are real. When we move outside and we see the people outside, people in Zimbabwe, they are suffering, including yourself and ourselves. Every worker, every family, every member in this country is suffering. That's admitted. There's no doubt about that. And the courage that we've shown as leaders to stand up and say, let us deal with the matters. That demonstrates leadership qualities. It demonstrates that we are leaders.
Well,
it's not true that our STL doesn't want dialogue. After 2018 elections, he sent 2 emissaries that I know to go and speak to President Mnangagwa. The 2 emissaries came back with good news, and they were disappointed because the young men lacked the courage of leadership. The young men lacked the courage to confront the problem as it was. If you happen to meet one of the emissaries, he will tell you the difference. I know you. We came back from Emerson Mnangagwa's team with good news to dialogue, but finally the men chickened out. So you must not be lied to. Let me tell you, I'm one of the emissaries who worked on that project to resolve conflicts of Zimbabwe. So the question that is required there is leadership. And this is what you do not see in other people. And what you see today is leadership. We want to resolve problems of Zimbabwe. We don't care whether we will become whatever in future, as Komichi, as Monzora, as Mzuri, as what. But we are bothered and concerned by the welfare of our people. That we are committed. We've got a vision. We've got a strategy and a plan. What you just listened from the president of MDCT is both strategy, vision, and a plan to resolve. Because there's no guarantee that if you go to any contest or any event without a strategy, you would win. We've gone through elections over and over again. But as long as you lack a strategy, vision, and a plan, you will not go anywhere. So we do not promise Zimbabweans falsehoods. We are engaged in a strategy. We believe strongly that out of the strategy, we'll get something for the people of Zimbabwe. Not for me, not for the SOF. We are focusing from issues of power and focusing on issues of economy. We know Zimbabweans want to deal with economy. And out of economy, we can get power. We know that. So we're strategic in our approach. But however, we need to communicate.
Okay.